Hello YouTube pipe community. Whiteford Pipes here. Michael, just gonna face the ends of this freshly cut ebonite. You can see how it's got the saw blade. I just want to face the ends before I do anything else, so that's what this little video is going to be about. So that's what we'll do. Nice and smooth now. See the same ridges in this one. We'll do the same thing here, and then I'll drill it. There. Now I'll go to work on drilling. Thanks for watching. Peace. Whiteford Handmade Pipes over and out.